We're gonna pretend to find these, but I don't want to go to jail because people are like snowflakes. We grow these ourselves. They're not large white. They're eggs. See, little banny chickens. This is like if you bought it at the store. This would be a small. This would be a medium. I didn't bring any large because, well, you know. I mean, this is a banny egg. This is a little black chicken. There it goes. This one's out of a little brown looking chicken. You know, I don't know about those. Oh, this is out of the white chicken. There. That's how it looks. Welcome back to Lost in the Woods with Wes S. and family. This is a skillet. Shot this fresh this morning. This is wild Spam. Gotta be careful with this. Sometimes it can be a little spicy. Been rolling around in the trees raiding bird nests and stole some eggs. I think I've got some robin eggs and some quail eggs, and climbed up on top of the tree, got the eggs out of that duck's nest. We got plenty of eggs. We're gonna have us some eggs. They quartered an alligator egg in there too. I had to squeeze that one out myself. But we're gonna have leftover beans. Whoa. Spam and eggs for breakfast. Just wanted to let y'all know what's up. This isn't a cooking channel. If y'all want recipes and stuff, y'all probably gonna have to go to somebody who has the patience to teach you how to cook. Nobody taught me. I just got hungry. So, this is an antique skillet. In case y'all want to know how much I love y'all, I brought my antique skillet out here just so I could show y'all how to cook on it. But the thing is, this does like cast iron, but it weighs like it doesn't weigh anything. You can backpack that. Oops.